Yo, good morning. Good morning, Greenfield office. I'm about to dive into work for Monday morning. I've got my cup of coffee after approximately 3 weeks. Switching back to coffee from teas, just for the heck of it, just because coffee sounded good. I wanted to show you a few things that I'll be up to this morning in my office that you might find interesting. So the very first thing that we're going to do, because I'll be hitting this later on, is right after I work today, I'll be taking that whole live O2 chamber that's filling up with oxygen, and I'll be doing a 30-minute high-intensity interval training session on the bike, followed by why I'm taking you into here, into my gym. This is the infrared sauna. I'll hit the infrared, so I'll flip this bad boy on. And I'll be hitting this right after I get on the bike. I will diffuse this morning purification oil in there. And I'll be using what's called chromotherapy. In this case, blue light chromotherapy. As you can see here. Come on, you bastard! Turn on! It would, on video. Anyways, there we go. Be using blue light chromotherapy while I'm there in the sauna, and I've got a variety of incenses up here that I can burn, incenses and candles. So that'll all be going on in the sauna after I hit the bicycle this morning. All my heavy lifting will be this afternoon because the boys and I are going to build a rock water charging station. Okay, so I just flew in last night. I was on mountain time, so I'll grab these glasses and this. So these are my retimer glasses and then my human charger. So the glasses, I will show you what to do with these. So I'll put on the glasses, push the little button on them here, and I will wear these glasses to tell my body that it's morning here in the Pacific time zone, and also to jumpstart my circadian rhythm for the day. And that'll be paired with this, which will go in the ears. A few other things that I'm up to this morning, let me show you. So while I'm working on my computer in my little saddle chair here, which splits my pelvis to be in the correct position, I will flip on either light on either side of me. So I will bathe my body in red light like that while I'm working in the morning. Great for skin health, collagen health, growth hormone release. I will also be wearing this on my head. That is photo biomodulation, increases nitric oxide and activates neural tissue, specifically the mitochondria in neural tissue. Okay, this is an essential oil diffuser. I'll be diffusing rosemary. Press this one button, and I keep a variety of different essential oils there, but this morning I'll be diffusing rosemary. See, this is me working in my office, and then that's her working in her office, right? So my wife drags tarps around in the grass while I play around in here on the electronic equipment. So you can see we're diffusing rosemary now here. This is cleaning any mold or fungi or any components in the air around my office. While this bigger filter here, the air doctor, this generates negative ions, okay? This stool, this is a stand-up Mogo upright stool. It's very similar to my saddle chair here, except this one's for standing, okay? So a few other things that I'll be doing this morning while I'm working. I'll be breathing air that's been humidified and had free radicals added to it to enhance DNA repair, and that'll just pipe out the air that I'm breathing while I'm sitting there sipping my coffee and working this morning. And then I'm researching a couple, let me show you a couple of things. First of all, I'm researching this. It's a pi balance device designed to kind of block some of the effects of EMF that will come off the computer, you know, as I have the internet turned on. Even though you can see I'm hardwired into the wall, I don't use the Wi-Fi, I still will have this going, just because there is obviously electricity in here. I need another sip of coffee from my Theodore Roosevelt Man in the Arena mug. Got my little vibrating foam roller there that I'll hit a few times during the morning while I'm working. I am researching SARMs this morning and writing an article on SARMs, so I got a whole bunch of those in front of my computer for the article that I'm working on. This is for rubbing on my tummy It's a really great one to rub on the tummy, like before meals, things like that, to keep your digestive system going. This is a chew stick that I harvested from an apple tree. I've been using this instead of brushing my teeth or flossing my teeth, because this is actually one of the ways that our ancestors used to clean their teeth. So you can see I've got a sharpened point there. That's how I've been kind of cleaning my teeth. Then a few other things. I've got this tube out here because I'm researching the use of vaporizing essential oils and vaporizing really nice tobaccos, you know, like Stockabee Northern Shag tobaccos. But I'm ordering some more tubes and equipment I need to use to be researching that. What else? Well, those are some of the biggies as far as what I will be up to this morning. So I'm going to hit work for a while here, and then I'll hit the pain cave back there on the bicycle. And anyways, the plan. Don't I look just ridiculous? Yes, I do. But I feel cool. Anyways, the plan is, as I continue to research and reveal and study more of these biohacks, I'm working on a book about a lot of this stuff now, kind of like a follow-up book. But then also we're really stepping up the Ben Greenfield Fitness Inner Circle over the next several months. And I'm going to be beginning to answer a lot more deep questions about many of these things, how to use them, best practices and stuff inside the Inner Circle. So if you're not yet part of the Inner Circle, or if you're a coach or a personal trainer and you're not yet part of my mentorship program that you can access over at superhumancoach.com, I'd recommend you do, because we're really going to step up the amount of content from both me as well as the coaches that I train. So you can learn a lot more about how to use a lot of this stuff. In the meantime, please stop snickering at the birth control that I'm wearing on my head, because my circadian rhythms are going to be amazing today. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful morning. I'm so grateful for you. And this is your nutty professor, Ben Greenfield, signing out from my crazy biohacking lab.